Just oh, this is cool. In today's video, I will be taking you somewhere to experience what China is doing at the moment. So we have a tablet and just one phone, a laptop. Just by placing your fingers on top of this, it gives you a keyboard. Have a look at that. This is something that is going to shift the market. The Huawei, which has been hitting the market so hard, and it's making a lot of changes like that has been so dominant here in China.
然后像你没有带键盘的时候就这样。
Oh. iPhone 17 just launched so recently, and there has been a lot of noise in the market. Like people are thinking about upgrading to an iPhone 17. iPhone has been always so much demanded here in China. By 2023, the Chinese actually bought the most of iPhones. Even before that, iPhone has been like the mega power of smartphones here in China, being the second largest market. But ever since the second quarter of 2025, there's been kind of a shift. Most of the people are now running for Huawei. They're running for that. And I will take you to the store to see why the Huawei has been so dominant and some of the cool things on a buyer's perspective, like what to consider, why it's been doing so well. Has obtained the very first position in terms of smartphones, but not just smartphones, because Huawei produces even vehicles. They have more gadgets, like not just the smartphone. Most of the Chinese population right now, they are so much in demand of the Huawei. At present, Huawei has been the first and only Chinese smartphone brand to ship over 100 million smartphones in a single year. And just after Huawei, there is a Xiaomi, there is an Oppo, there is a Vivo. It might be shocking to know that at present, iPhone is on fourth position. The government is doing a lot to encourage its people, this pretty huge population, 1.4 billion, that's a lot, to actually buy from local market. I take you guys to the Huawei store here inside the city. As you can see, this pretty huge building. This is the Huawei store that we're going to be looking at, and you can see your course. As you can see in here, it's pretty secured. I didn't see any police in here. So now we are inside the Huawei store, and the first phone I'm going to show you guys here, the Mate XT. This is so powerful. This is 3 folds. One of the latest gadgets that they have here at the Huawei. It's pretty foldable. This is 3 folds, so you can actually fold this into 3. It has self-translator. You can translate from any languages you want. And this is not an app. It's not an app. You can say you fold it, becomes like a pretty small, like a small iPad. You can do your normal work with that. You can work as in your office. This sells for 19,000. That is just about $2,700. See, how about the Pure Mate? You see how small it is, how pretty small it is, and you can just flip open this. Alright, look at that, guys. It's almost like square, and I try to use that a bit. Let's say that you're reading a novel, you're reading a book. You don't have to always use your fingers to swipe to the next page. Just this is cool. Man, this is cool. Would agree with me that this is the real innovation that people should be spending so much money to buy. Spending a few $100s, probably $1,000, and on the iPhone, why not get something like this? This sells, the Pura X sells for $7,499. And you can get like 256 GB. And if you want to you can get up to a TB for these smartphones at $9,999. So you see how pretty little it looks. You guys might be asking, should I get an iPad? Should I get a laptop? but like you have two in one, guys. Like I think this is a pretty nice choice. See how huge this is, and it's foldable. I try to fold this. Fold it. Wow. So now you have this, and you probably don't even need the keyboard. So how about that? So you see, this is nice, guys. Like, man, you just get a keyboard just by a simple touch. So you get a keyboard you can work on. Yeah, pretty flexible. You can just do that pretty slowly. And here we go. All the features in here are just so unlimited. So honestly, I have to say this is some cool innovations that Huawei is doing to change the world's perspective. You know, like it's just so unimaginable. You know, like folding a phone, folding a tablet, just like folding a piece of paper, and nothing is broken, everything is just all intact. And the price, I would say the price is pretty okay because you know exactly what you get. So this sells for 23,999, and so that is going to be how much in terms of dollars? $3,000 for this, guys. Come on, this is a good buy. You know, like you won't doubt it. It's a pretty good buy. And you see they have many more of these gadgets, you know, like tablets, there's iPhones, and of course, as you can see in here, it's pretty secure. I didn't see any police in here or anybody holding a gun, but and many more. You get a lot of these. And as I told you, one good thing with the Huawei is they don't only produce smartphones, but you can get a lot more. You can get some earpiece, you can have some glasses, there is some speakers, you can purchase that too, and all pretty good quality. So it's like living not just with commodity, but it becomes a lifestyle. You can have a Huawei watch, which is also like a combo altogether. You can have everything in your home which is made of Huawei. And how about the Huawei watch for kids? This is nice. And most importantly, how about the Huawei vehicle? So you can purchase a smartphone and you can also purchase a vehicle all together, guys. Man, see how this looks. See how this looks, guys. Wow. This is incredible. This is incredible. Woo. Man. Oh my God. Oh my God. This is what humans are driving in. This is what humans are driving in. You see, just in front of the dashboard, there is a pretty huge iPad just at the front. And at the back, there is another line of all these. Oh my God. Man. Oh my God. Man, like, I'm just short of words. Nice leather, guys. Oh my God. Wow. It's like sitting in an airplane. It's like sitting inside an airplane. And I know some of you might say, hey Mike, come again with another propaganda here in China. Man, I'm not advertising products. I'm just showing you the latest things here in China. And whether you like it or not, this is things that are happening. And this is actually so futuristic that I must share with my viewers. So this is cool, guys. This is cool. Wow. I can't imagine myself driving in this on the streets. It'd be like flying. It'd be like flying on the streets. You know, so okay, guys, I'm planning to upgrade my iPhone. You know, I bought this iPhone 16 Plus last year, and I don't see myself heading on to the 17. I don't think that it'd be so much need. Right now, I'm thinking about upgrading to the Huawei Mate XT because this is so hot, man. I'm so much in love with this. I'm so much in love with this smartphone. You can eventually use this pen and you can touch and do lots of things in it. The good thing is that when you purchase these smartphones, you can always choose to get the Huawei Care. So the Care is bought for $2,699. So with the Care, in case your phone gets smudged or like soaked into water, if it's lost, if it gets stolen, you can always get a replacement, which is a pretty good buy. It's nice. Over the years, Apple has been so dominant here in China, in the Chinese market, but in the recent times, it is also doing a lot of discount in prices. It is actually dropped a lot in prices because it's trying to regain back the market, which has been so much dominated by Huawei, the China tech giant, which has been so powerful and gaining most part of the market here in China. So that's gonna be the end of this video. I had to make a pretty short video because I am heading on to another city. If you know how to support Black in China, always be the first to hit the subscribe button, be the first to share the video and subscribe if you haven't done so. Signing out.